Good morning, students. Welcome back to Maths online class of class 3rd. How are you all, students? I hope you all are fit and fine. Myself Priya, and I am going to teach you 4-digit subtraction sums from page number 37 to 39. Let's start with an example. There were 1560 trees in our jungle. But a cruel witch came there and cut down 1250 trees. Now let's find out how many trees were left in the jungle. So students, for this first you have to arrange the places: thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, and write the digits on their places. So how you will do subtraction here? You have to start from left side. First you subtract one side, this one. 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. Now come to tens place, subtract 5 from 6, the answer is 1. Now subtract 2 minus 5, the answer is 3. Now subtract the thousands. 1 minus 1 is 0. How many trees left in the jungle? 310. Students, I hope you understood how to do subtraction. Now students, start with the exercise part, exercise 4F, page number 37. Here also one of the example. First one is 7845 minus 5432. So for this, what will you do? First you have to subtract ones. 5 minus 2, 3. Now subtract tens. 4 minus 3, 1. Now subtract 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now subtract the 1000. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. The answer is 2430. Like this you have to do your exercises. First question is 1457 minus 432. First you start with left side, subtract the 1, 7 minus 2, 5. Now subtract the tens, 5 minus 3, 2. Now subtract the hundreds, 4 minus 4, 0. And subtract the thousands, 1 minus, here nothing is given, imagine 0 here, 1 minus 0, 1. The answer is 1025. Now come to next question. 2839 minus 604. Here also same you have to do. 9 minus 4, 5. Now minus 10 sides, 3 minus 0, 3. Now subtract the hundreds, 8 minus 6, 2. Now subtract the thousands, 2 minus 0, 2. The answer is 2235. Now come to third question. 6785 minus 273. Subtract the one side 5 minus 3 2. Subtract the tens 8 minus 7 1. Subtract the hundreds 7 minus 2 5. And subtract the thousands 6 minus 0 0. The answer is 6512. Now fourth question, 2518 minus 1501. Let's start with left side. Subtract the ones 8 minus 1 7. Subtract the hundreds 1 minus 0 1. Subtract the thousands 5 minus 5 0. Now last subtract the 1002 minus 1 1. The answer is 1070. Students, remaining parts do in books only. Now come to the next part. Students, you have to do these questions in your notebook. Homework in copies. Let's come to page number 38. These are word sums. First question is, Semi's mother is 31 years old. Her grandmother is 58 years old. What is the difference in age between them? So what will you do? Subtract 31 from 58. So start with left side. First you subtract ones place. 8 minus 1, 7. Now subtract tens. 5 minus 3, 2. The difference in age is 27 years. Second one, on Sunday, 57 children took the toy train ride at a park. And on Monday, 25 less. Then how many took a ride on Monday? So what will you do? Subtract 25 from 57. 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. The answer is 32 children took ride on Monday. Now third one, India scored 124 runs more than Sri Lanka. If India scored 358 runs, how many runs did Sri Lanka score? So for this, minus 124 from 358. First you subtract ones. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now subtract the tens. 5 minus 2, 3. Now subtract the hundreds. 3 minus 1, 2. The answer is 234 runs Sri Lanka scored. Now fourth one, of the 956 students in a school, 523 play football, and how many do not play football? So for this, minus 523 from 956. First you subtract ones. 6 minus 3, 3. Now subtract tens. 5 minus 2, 3. Now subtract hundreds. 9 minus 5, 4. The answer is 433 students do not play football. Students, these are also subtraction sums. So do in homework in your notebook. Only this part. And these part you have to do in your books. Students, each addition fact has 2 subtraction facts. Let's take the help from an example. how each addition fact has two subtraction fact. Here 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. It makes two subtraction fact. How? 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. I hope you understood this one. Now come to page number 39. Math Gym. Here also an example given. 48 plus 21. The sum is 69. And you can see here also two subtraction fact. 69 minus 48, 21. 69 minus 21 is 48. Here you can see addition of two numbers. 125 plus 243 is 368. Here also two subtraction fact. 368 minus 125 is equal to 243. 368 minus 243 is equal to 125. I hope you understood this one, students. Now come to fill in the blanks. 22 plus 44. Add the number. First you add the ones. Then after that you add the tens. The answer is 66. Like this you complete all parts, students. Here 66 minus space is given equal to 44. What will you do, students? You do one thing. Subtract 44 from 66. You will get the answer. 6 minus 4, 2. Now subtract the 10. 6 minus 4, 2. The answer is 22. Here 66 minus dash equal to 22. Here also same you do. 66 minus 22. First you subtract the 1. 6 minus 2, 4. Now subtract the 10. 6 minus 2, 4. The answer is 44. Right in the space given. Like this you do all parts, students. This one and this one in your book itself. Now come to next question. 624 minus 250. Space is given. You have to find out the answer. And the total of these two numbers 878. Now search the missing number. 8 minus 4. You will get 4 right in the space given. 4. 2 plus 5, 7. Now add the 100. 6 plus 2, 8. The answer is 878. Now here also you find out missing number. 7 space 3 plus 214 is equal to 977. So what will you do, students? 977 minus 214. You will get the exact answer. The answer is 763. Now come to third one. 2 spaces given. Now plus 342. The addition of these two numbers 592. So what will you do? Subtract 342 from 592. You get the answer. Like this you do all parts. Now come to next question. Here also same you do. 50 plus 30 is equal to space plus 60. So what will you do here? First you add 50 plus 30. The answer is 80. And from 80 you minus 60. You will get the answer. The answer is here 20. Write in the space 20. Now come to second part. Here also, first you do add 34 plus 42 and minus 36 from the addition. The answer is 40. You will get the answer is 40. Write in the space given. Like this you do all parts, students, in your books. Page number 39. Fill in greater than or smaller than. Students, as you can see here, numbers are given in Romans. So recognize the number and put sign. And this one you do in homework in your copies. Now page number 39. Last question is matching. You can see two columns are given. You have to match the numbers with correct number. First one is 3 plus 7. When you add these two numbers, you will get 10. And you have to match the number with X. It means in Roman 10. Next one is 4 plus 6 plus 5. First you add these numbers. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Here you have to search which number is equals to 15. Here you can see 95 minus 80. Here also the answer is 15. Both numbers are equal. Match these two numbers. Next is in Roman 12 is written. Here you can see 48 minus 36 all is equal to 12. Both are equal. Match the numbers. Now fourth one is 24 plus 35. First you add these two numbers. Here 59. We will get 59 now. Now match. Here you can see 33 plus 26. This is also 59. Both numbers are same. So match these two. Now last 91 plus 6 is 97. And here 1 is left. 80 plus 17. This is also 97. Both numbers are same. Match these two. Students, you do in books only this part. I hope you understood. Thank you everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.